In this video, I'm going to show you how to play Epic Games on Steam Link. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. First, we will link Epic Games account to Steam account. So come on your navigator. In my case, I'm using Google Chrome, but you can use a navigator. Come right here on the search bar and search epicgames.com. You will come to this page and you need to log into your account. After doing that, drag into your name at the top right corner and click on Account. You will come to this page, and the option that interests us is this one, Apps and Accounts. Come on, Apps and Accounts. You will see all the games that you have in Epic Games. Click on Accounts right here, and on the first option Steam, you need to click to connect, okay? And you will connect Epic Games to Steam. After doing that, you need to come on your Epic Games, click to install any game, and you will see right here, Browse. If you click right here, you will see where your Epic Games games are. So in my case, it is on local disk E. Okay, this is a very important part. Come on your Steam, click right here below, add a game, add a non-Steam game on the first option. And by here, you need to click to browse and find that paste. So click. After doing that, you select the game that you want to add to Steam. In my case, Dead by Daylight. Then click right here and click to open. You will open this page. I will not add because I don't want to add. I'm just showing you the process. Then confirm your action, add selected programs that you will add on Steam, your Epic Games game, and you can search right here and play the game. Okay, so click on the game and click to play your game. I hope I helped you how to play Epic Games on Steam Link. So if this video helped you in any way, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to receive useful tips.